County, as you are aware, the Migori Bridge is currently in a very pathetic state. The Migori Bridge cannot be used. It is completely cut off. Persons with disabilities are affected by the collapse of the Migori Bridge. Our leaders have tried their best, and we want to call upon unity of our leaders to unite and make sure that they quickly repair and fast track the repair of the Migori Bridge. You are very much aware that if anything happens, currently persons with disabilities have to walk long distances, through very thick, estates here in Migori to cross a distance of less than, 1 kilometer. So we want to call upon the governor of this county of Migori, the various MPs of this county, to ensure that Migori Bridge is reconstructed, to make sure that Kenha also, because Kenha had promised to repair the bridge recently. Using this opportunity to call upon the leadership of Migori County, as you are aware, that persons with disabilities, we belong to this county, various constituencies. So we want to call upon also our county government, the governor, His Excellency Dr. Chiloyako, to ensure that persons with disabilities are in employment.
Tunaomba sana walemavu wote katika Migori County wajitokeze nje, wachukue kura, na wahakikishe ukishachukua kura, ikifika wakati tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8 mwaka ujao, ujitokeze pia upige hiyo kura, ili tupate viongozi ambaye atatufanyia sisi kazi katika Migori na